Hey, what's up guys? So if you saw my last video where I put the bed channel stiffeners in, you'll remember that I said that I was going to put an antenna on them. So all that's done. There's a ham radio in the truck, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So I'll start here at the back, and here's the stiffener right here. The antenna is mounted to the stiffener. I forget the model number, I'll put it on the screen for anybody that's wondering. Then the coax runs through this little cubby that's inside of the bed, and then down along the frame rail. It's in this wire loom right there, and then it comes up through a grommet that's in the floor. And the coax connects to the radio, which is right here. You can probably see it. And then the radio has power wires, which run through here, through the firewall into the battery. And then the faceplate for the radio is remotely mounted in the sunglasses holder. So when I want to use it, the microphone can hang right there and plug into the radio. And then, if I'm not using it, I can unclip the mic, unplug it, and hide the radio back up in the panel. If you're wondering, this radio is a Yaesu FT7900-R, and the remote mounting plate and all that comes with the kit. So I said the power wires run through a grommet. That's where they come through, right there next to the brake booster. And then it's in this wire loom right here. And then it gets grounded right here on the factory ground. And then the positive runs to the positive on the battery. So putting in this radio and everything was really one of the easiest installs I've ever done. So if you've ever done car stereo or speakers or anything, you can probably do this too. So don't be afraid that because it's a ham radio, it might be difficult. So if you guys have any questions or think I forgot anything or want something that that needs more explanation, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section and I'll answer it for you. If this helped you, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more that I'm going to do this truck later. Thanks for watching. Later, guys.
That's what Sweet Little Honey is saying.